Hi guys, I'm so happy to be back with Teacher Annette, and today we have a really beautiful craft. But this time it's not going to be recycled. Teacher Annette has gone to the shop to buy some things, so if you want it, do it, and if you don't want it, you can just watch it and have fun.
Yes, Robby Rabbit, that it is. Today we're going to do a pencil case, and it's not going to be like all the times that I have done craft with recycled things. Today I wanted to show you to do a pencil case for your next year. Okay, so guys, I find this craft very beautiful, but it's to do with your parent, okay? Because we will need a silicone gun, a zip, scissors, and some foam sheet, okay? Foam, goma eva, okay? Mine is full of glitter. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, I bought it in a shop. This one you can buy it too, but if you have one at home, it's perfect. The thing is that I have tried to do it with glue, but it doesn't stick. If you have a very strong glue, I think that you can do it, okay? But I thought that it was a beautiful craft to do with you, because you can use this next year with your pencils and crayons, or just to do it at home. And I think that Robby Rabbit will also be very happy, because we're going to do a pencil case with his face in it. So let's go then. Look guys, the first thing that we will have to do is to put the silicone glue here and add the zip, okay? So what are we going to do? This is the part with glitter. The part with glitter will go down, okay, face down, and I'm going to add glue in here, okay? Okay, so guys, once I have the glue in here, I have to put the zip upside down, okay? I'm going to show it to you now. We pressure it. Be careful please, and don't get burned, okay? Always with the help of your friends. You will have something like this. Can you see that the zip is in this side, okay? And now we're going to do the same. So I'm going to add glue in the upper side, okay? And I'm going to paste it here. Like this. Can you see it? Okay guys, now that we have it like this, we have to open it very carefully, like this, okay? Have all the things here, and turn it around. You will have something like this. We are going to close it, okay? And now we are going to do the part to close our pencil case. Okay, now as I have told you, I had a lot of foam at home, so we have to take a little piece of it, okay, something like this, and we are going to cut two pieces like this, and they have to fill the zip, okay? The measure must be the width of the zip, okay? So once we have them, we are going to paste them, okay? Where? Look, in here. One here, okay? Done. I will put a little bit of glue in here, and I will paste it here, okay? Can you see it? There? Okay. And we will do the same in the other part, okay? So I will cut this remaining thing here. And now I'm going to open it a little bit. I'm going to put here my little piece, okay? Let's see if you can see it. There. Can you see it, guys? There, okay? Okay guys, so now what do we have to do? Here we have to put glue, okay? So you have your suitcase folded just in the middle. Your suitcase, no, sorry, your pencil case. And here I'm going to add glue, okay? Okay guys, I have this part pasted. Now I open my zip, okay? Like this. And I will paste the other part, okay? And we paste it. We open our pencil case and we will fold it like this, and we have to paste it there, okay? So I'm going to put glue in here in the little rectangle that we've done before, and I'm going to add first of all this part, and once I have this part I will put a little bit of glue there and I will put the other part pasted. Okay, now guys, I have this part pasted and we will do the same thing in the other part, okay? So we will paste it here and then the other one here. Turn it around very carefully. I have to put it properly, okay? Okay, so look, the form that I've given to my pencil case will be this one, okay? So when you open it, you can enter here your things. So now, what are we going to do? We are going to do a Robby rabbit. So now, with the remaining form that we have here, I'm going to do 2 ears, okay? I'm going to paste them here, okay? So I'm going to put the glue in here, very carefully. One, and the other one. 2. I'm going to close my zip, and now with permanent markers, I'm going to paint Robby Rabbit's face in it, okay? Okay, so look guys, my ears will be like this. I'm going to fold them now backwards, so they have this 3D form, okay, like this. And here I'm going to open my pencil case to show it to you. I'm going to make Robby Rabbit's face, okay, with permanent markers. So look guys, there I have my Robby Rabbit. If you want to see it properly, you can put it like this, okay? Can you see it? And now I'm going to zip my pencil case, and you will have something like this, okay? Now we can open it and insert our things in here. We have our Robby Rabbit pencil case. Hope you like it.